Hi everybody, this is going to be a very dirty and quick tutorial. We're going to be doing a TextMesh Pro typewriter effect, but a hacky version. I hope Unity fixes this eventually. I really do. First what we're going to do is just create a string extension. Honestly, this thing is useful for almost a lot of things. So go ahead and get rid of all of this. Go in here. I'm just going to copy and paste it. I'll have it in the description. And we're going to have a static here. That's it. I'm going to pause it here to show you. Fix that. I found this online, so this is a very useful extension. Again, I'll have it paused, and I'll have it in the description. I found this online, so thank you for whoever made this. It's a very useful thing. Now I'm going to get down to the real thing we want. We're going to have this type in here. So we're going to have a typewriter effect. It's not going to derive from model behavior, and it's, in other words, it's completely useless. Get rid of that, and there we go. We're going to have an enumerator called initialize. We're going to have a chat model. Model's fine. Persistent, constant, string, alpha equals star hashtag 00. Private int I equals 0. Private string, the new word. New word is not a really good name, but whatever. Just to make sure I equals 0 for our copy text. Model dot chat text. And then we're going to have a model dot chat equals this. And just in case, model dot root display equals Unity engine flex. We can just copy this here and put using this. Then we can get rid of that. Okay, so we're going to have a array of chars, new char, blank, which is right, blank slash n slash comma slash this. Then we're going to have a bunch of splitter, copy text dot split, and keep this. We're going to have an array of characters. So you're probably wondering what this does. The splitter splits all the chars in the list. So it separates spaces, new line, and the gator symbols. And if anyone remembers the gator symbols. I'm gonna have 4 var int I equals 0. I less than splitter dot count I plus plus. First thing I want to do is check if it's a tag. Well, how do I do that? Well, to check if it's a tag, we're going to have a splitter I starts with less. But before then, I just want to make sure go I plus 2 less than splitter dot count. Let's put that back in there. Oh, if you want to do that, just hold Alt and then use the arrow keys. You can move it. Because we already did this, and splitter dot starts I plus 2 starts with the greater caret. Basically, I'm making sure basically with this, and those will do greater or equals. If it's less than or equal to this, then it can continue. It just keeps everything in bay. So we can have var new string equals. This is if it's a tag, example, list 0 equals this. List 1 equals color equals red, and of course list 2 equals this. This is what this does. Now we're going to be combining this. So we want I plus 1. So we want splitter I plus 1. We don't need to do I plus 2 because we know this will always be like 0, and this will always be 2. But instead we're looping through the entire thing, and this is just an example. So it would be more like I plus 1 and I plus 2. So we're going to go I plus equals 2 because we know we skipped 2. That is fine. And we don't have a list. Cool. We're going to need a new list. On system.collections.generic, if you hit nunit.framework, it's just doesn't work. Called string list, and string list here will add the new string. Otherwise, we're just gonna have a string list. Let's add the splitter I. If you want to check it out, you can we're going to just debug it here for each. We're doing this anyway. We're going to end string list debug.log item. Dude, that is a lot of... There we go. Oh, I never did that, did I? Yield return null. And we're not actually calling this. Hurrah! Okay, so typewriter effect equals new typewriter effect. And we can hit a start quarantine because we're going to want to quarantine this to effect.init, and we're going to just put model in here. We're just dragging this entire thing in here like it's no big deal. Let's save. Let's go back to Unity. Let's go back to Unity. Back to Unity. Seriously? There we go. There it is. Hi, all. Welcome. Space to space. This space. Hey, look. It's the tag. And it shouldn't be. It should not be on its. It shouldn't be there. What's going on, guys? Oh, I never continued. Yeah, that might help. Okay, so now for the real typewriter effect. Private enumerator. Writer effect. Now chat model, and I want the new word here. New word plus equals word. Now look at this for loop. This for loop is going to be a little bit different compared to what you think. Word.length I plus plus. Wait, what? Yes, it is possible to do that. Now hit string result. I want the result. And this is just weird, but it works. Substring 0.I plus alpha plus new word dot substring I. Yeah. Now yield return new wait 4 seconds. 1 divided by. Now I want to go back to chat model. I'm just going to have a delay. So we're going to have public float delay. So delay. Model.delay. Model.chat. Chat equals result. First, we gotta up here. We gotta find out if it's a tag. So how do we do that? Item that starts with this, and item that starts with this. No, ends with. or ends with this. First, I don't want to forget to continue again. New word plus equals item. So we're just dropping it in there without a care in the world. I plus equals item dot length. It doesn't matter how big or small you think the tag is, it will always be great. And the only thing left, this is driving me crazy, there we go, yield, return, writer effect, model, item. Because the item is the new word. Honestly, just change item with word and doot, 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 doot. There we go. That looks better. I don't need that yield return null anymore. I never saved. That should fix it. Oh, my. And nothing. Oh, yeah, 0 point. I don't know. I guess 17. Oh. Yeah, that might help. Now, why is it only doing 2 of them? Hi, all. It shifted welcome. It added welcome. Am I doing something wrong? Oh. I want new word. I want new word, not word. I'm blaming the autocorrect on that one. Oh, let's... There we go. See if it works now. There we go. we go. Notice how awesome it is not spelling because it's already in there. It's adding the word before it's alphaing it. Now, I don't like this approach, but it works. Now we got that. You can do so much more now with it. Like, let's say you have a script basically that does public class, I don't know, data text, I don't know. Then we got public string text, public sprite, icon, and we have public, I don't know, color. You want color, I don't know. Right now I'm just going to do those two. And you can have like data text, data. Instead of that, we can copy text, just change it to data.text. Like if data.icon does not equal null, we can have model.icon display equals display flex, but model.icon equals data.icon. And like else model.icon display equals display.none. Just simply there we can go back to the reference because it's missing a reference. New data text, icon equals null, and text equals this is a test, color equals yellow, this is yellow, color now this is a new line. Nothing should change really. This is a test. This is yellow. Now this is a new line. It got rid of the icon. Okay, we go even further. Public string name. Just have like model dot name text equals data dot name. Let's go back to the reference here, and then name equals, I don't know, light. Obviously, you don't want to do this, but it's just for an example. It ain't gonna matter. Then we have light. This is a test yellow. Well, have fun. This is basically it. we made ourselves a chat box. But of course, I'm pretty sure you want to add more functionality to it, like the space bar or something else. But I'm pretty sure you already know how to do all that. I'm pretty sure you've done it with TextMesh Pro. You just wanted to know how to do it and you like documents, maybe. I don't know. So, enjoy coding, guys.